Ebusuafo ehanum Tattoo TV eso unya subscribe ya mesrew na wa subscribe no like no share video yi de ama wunu ano no so enye bi ahwe na bibia etimi akoyi de ama na busu de ani ebo era nsem na chese ode weni achirem ye Kumasi Forestry Commission de ko na chese excavators ahora na chese omaji efi gold miners ni honum illegal miners ni honum no na chese omaji excavators ahora na akwakosie forestry reserve honum na afei de omo ho no ma na nkrofo bi etimi aba beben omo se sa excavators ya omo season no mretintin ekono eno na ewo se omo release de ma omo na omo so omo de ko na nsema eltwa guo no omo chesinti no omo nim nipa kra osoma se omo be release sa excavators ahoro we na chese enya asem kitwa na excavators no omo timi release 5 na enya asem kitwa nti omo release sa excavators 5 we ewie ya na omo de koye no omo nim de ye na information saba ya sinti no ntro na sankrofo we ebetwa ya sinti authority so omo bra embeji excavators no nti na wo say ya ade a omo san ko back ekosizi sa excavators we enya sinti nti busua se nsem no aye huhu na chese ye nim nipa kra otai sa botai we echi na chese ekoso ye Ghana man mu ham se na mense wo mre no ye bekọ ni akwakoji asem no emu enchire mu medawase.
The Forestry Commission depot here in Kumasi, close to the Ahonjo roundabout here in Kumasi. Now, this place is where they have parked seized excavators from Galamsey sites. Recently, if you realize, there have been some illegal mining activities within the Ashanti region, the Western region, and beyond, forests within those areas. In the Ashanti region, we're talking about the Jimira and the Offin Shelter Belt areas. Many of these excavators are from that particular site, and they've been placed properly within the custody of the Forestry Commission. So this is the Forestry Commission depot where they've been kept. Now, today we had information that there has been an order for these excavators to be released, all of them. And so, as you can see, they've been marked. And these are exhibits. So you can see EX03 exhibits that are ready to be used for court procedures, legal action against people who have been mining illegally. Now, this morning we got information that the excavators have been ordered to be released. To who? We do not know. To which location? We do not know. And so as of this morning, as about an hour ago, 5 of them were sent on low beds out of this vicinity, out of the custody of the Forestry Commission, and sent out. In fact, when I got this call, I spoke with quite a number of officials, and that informed my first post. And now it's not clear whether it was which authority within the region really released the equipment. 5 of them left this vicinity, and as we speak, another order, after we got to know of it, and we started pushing the strings, and we started questioning authority why these excavators are being released. To who are they being released? Why are they being released? Why are excavators meant for prosecution being released and sent out of the custody of the Forestry Commission without due process? And that is where we started getting information that there's been a counter order that the excavators be brought back into the custody of the Forestry Commission. So as we speak, you can see the low beds. They've brought back 4 of the excavators. We are left with 1 of the excavators to be brought back to the custody of the Forestry Commission. We have found out from the Forestry Commission officials who were here, the regional security liaison officer was here himself, according to them, and he supervised for them to be loaded. And so we do not know who gave the orders. At least we have an inclination, and at the appropriate time when we've been able to cross-check and confirm, we'll put that out. And so currently, that is what we have. These are seized excavators from Galamsey sites. So you can see this one. These are exhibits pending prosecution of these people. And they were all released this morning per an order that they should be released. And so you can see lowbeds that were carrying them to which destination we have no idea. But there are so many questions to be asked. Why will anybody give an order for equipment that have been seized legally from possible crimes, marked as exhibits, pending court action, placed properly and lawfully in the custody of an agency which is the Forestry Commission? Why will anybody order for them to be released? To where? And certainly these are questions that in the coming days we have to be fishing for answers on. And so 4 of them have been brought back. We are waiting for the 5th one after the supposed order from whoever was reversed when we started asking questions. Now the order has been reversed. They've been asked to bring back the excavators. 4 of them have been brought back. We are expecting 1 to be returned so we can leave this place. But let me tell you that these are excavators seized from illegal mining sites and parked at the Forestry Commission depot, awaiting prosecution. And an order came this morning that they should be released, all of them. In fact, the men dressed in national security apparatus, paraphernalia, came and said the authority which has directed them says they should cut all excavators seized from illegal mining sites from this depot. And so they started, even when the Forestry Commission officials struggled with them, argued with them that they do not see how legally that is tenable for them to move seized excavators that have been properly placed in their care out. They still went ahead to move them out. And now an order has come for them to return them, and 4 of them have been returned. We are waiting for the final one. So all these low beds are unregistered, you can see. Okay, you can see the markings on them. Have you taken that? So these are DRIP, District Road Improvement Program, and they are the low beds that were used to cart the seized excavators. So clearly, somebody in authority knows about this, because these are drip machines. These are drip low beds meant, and these are government equipment that were used to track the excavators from here.